Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a shipping coupon on Mulebuy. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is head on over to mulebuy.com and sign into your account. Now once we've signed in, we want to go ahead and enter the product link or keyword. So basically we want to go ahead and add that product to our cart. So for this, I'm just going to type in wallet. So I'm just going to add a wallet into my bag. So this one looks cool here. So I'm going to add this, click onto it. Then from here, just choose any specs like models and stuff or colors. So I want this, love it with a gift box as well. And then quantity, we've got remarks. I agree to the terms. And then from here, we can check out the shipping estimator if you like. So from here, we want to go ahead and add this to the cart. And then from here, go ahead and click onto the cart. Now from here, we want to go ahead and confirm your order, make sure it looks all good, then click on select all, and then click on submit order. Then do not show this again, click confirm. And then from here, under confirm order, if we go ahead and scroll down, it says coupons. So you want to go ahead and click on select. And now if you've got any shipping coupons, we want to go ahead and select that and then click submit. Then that's going to apply to your order. Then click on confirm and pay. Now to find the shipping coupons, what we can do is come up to the top of the page, click on our user profile, click onto my base. And now under to the right of your username, we've got coupons. So go ahead and click on coupons. Then to the right of this, it's going to say available. So I've got 12 available shipping coupons. So just go ahead and pick the best coupon. So for example, I want to use, say, which one? So I can click into this one and then come back to my order and then paste in that code.